Hey, I'm Bobby.
And I'm Rocky, and we're no experts, right?
Right.
We are New Yorkers. Well, we like to think of ourselves as New Yorkers. We try. And living in New York City is great because it's a world-class city. There's tons of stuff to do. We'll never be able to do everything that it has to offer. But sometimes, a lot of the times, it can get really expensive.
Yeah, most of the time. And after many years of living in the Big Apple, we just recently discovered that the TV talk shows that tape here give away free tickets to be in their studio audience. We're no experts, but we think this is pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Over the past few months, we've snagged tickets to see The Rachel Ray Show, The Wendy Williams Show, The Dr. Oz Show, and The View. Not only are you experiencing TV tapings live and seeing the behind-the-scenes process, you're also catching some of your favorite stars up close. Some shows even do free giveaways. We've been lucky enough to get books, magazines, movies, hair care products, but no cars yet. And best of all, it's all free. If you'd like to attend a taping of your favorite show, you should check out the show's website and navigate around to find out where it's taped and if you can sign up for free tickets. Closely follow the instructions while on the site and in any emails that follow, and then wait to see if you've lucked out. Another really cool thing to do is take any out-of-town visitors you have to a TV taping. Not only will it keep them busy and entertained, but it's free!
Free? Did you say free?
Free.
We love free. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you love it as much as we love free stuff, hit the subscribe button right below, and also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks for watching. Bye.